Early bird gets the worm. It's still freaking dark out.
It's getting later now.
Let's take a nice cool shower to just wake my body up because I'm not gonna lie, I was yawning and I'm like, girl, we're not gonna get tired. It is 6:41 right now.
What?
Okay, before I make my breakfast, I'm gonna have some lemon water. I don't do this every day because it's not good for like your teeth and stuff, but it's super good in the morning and I already had some water before, so now I'm gonna have some lemon water. Honestly, so refreshing, and I'm starving, so it's time to eat breakfast and also make my coffee. I always make sure I'm drinking water as well, especially before coffee. This is what I call a yummy breakfast. Also, I love waking up at 5 a.m. because when I go to the gym, I'm not on my phone. When I come home, I'm not on my phone because I'm obviously showering. While I'm cooking, I take the time to just focus on cooking.
I did my work all the day.
And that was all. But now I'm ready to eat. I can be on my phone, catch up. Oh, I literally just pinched my finger in my tripod. It hurt so bad. It's giving fall vibes outside. Also me pulls out easy slides. It's literally giving fall freaking vibes. I had to put on a crew neck, but I'm also wearing shorts. It's like that in between type of weather, which is fine. Like, I'm also cold. So I brought my coffee. I had to drop my mom off somewhere. So I was finishing up my latte. And now I need to run to the post office because there was this mix up with my package. It's delayed. Alright. Also, I hate the morning radio. Hate it. I need to play some music, but my phone is like not connecting to my car right now. So I'm literally driving in silence. But you know, peace. Peace and love. I need to get some laundry done. Lately, I haven't really had a set like laundry day. I just kind of like go with the flow and do it. Honestly, when I can, I feel like it just takes pressure off me, and yeah, it's fine. I'm about to get ready, you guys, and I know my hair looks crazy. I just brushed it out, which I normally don't do, but I'm going to be styling it because I have filming to do and stuff and I want to look cute, so we're getting ready. I am about to curl my lashes, do my little get ready with me. This is the Sephora eyelash curler, and I just discovered in the freaking box that it comes with 2 extra pieces to go right here, which I think is amazing. I'm so happy that I discovered that and I never threw this out because hello. Anyways, let's get ready. I'm going to use this Sephora curler, and today I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara and then obviously Instabrow waxy brow pencil, and I'm feeling a little extra, so I'm going to use the Wet n Wild chocolate brown eyeliner, and I'm probably just going to add a little bit to my waterline. Yes. I know you see those lashes, girl. What the heck? Slay. Literally big slay. I need to clean up. I really want to try white eyeliners down there, but I don't know if it'll look cool on me. I'm in the testing phase of my Dyson still. I'm just seeing what works for me. Everyone has different hairs. Everyone's techniques are different. So do what you do, but I'm going to try to use the smoothing brush and just quickly smoothen my hair. I've been working out and stuff, obviously, and I sweat in my sleep, so it got a little curly down here, which is totally fine. And then I have this bottle. I got it from Amazon. I will link it below. It's just like the misty hair bottles. I don't know why I've never had them before. But I'm going to spray like these pieces with a little bit of water, and then I'm going to use the air wrap. Overall, the rest of my hair is looking way just better than it was before, and I clipped it back my hair so I can just focus on these pieces right here. First, it would help if there's water in here. I'm gonna let it just do its thing. Ready for the day. Just poured myself some more water because we gotta stay hydrated, and we're about to do journaling. I love that it's still early because now I can get like all my work day started. And I finally just downloaded Notion, so I'm gonna be creating a Notion, kind of like customizing it, whatever you have to do here, kind of like learning about it. And now I'm gonna track all my to-do lists on here and see how I like it. So first, I'm gonna do my 5-minute journal. I love my 5-minute journal, which is literally for gratitude and it truly is life-changing. And then we're gonna make our Notion to-do list. And I know you guys are probably excited because I haven't done one yet, and everyone has been telling me to hop on. Today's the day. I'm going to be using her page as my template. I'll link it below for you guys, and let's get started. So here's my little to-do list. I love adding little emojis and just personalizing it because I feel like with that it makes it look pretty, number one, and I feel like it just hold me more, kind of like it's just like motivating. I think personally I so far like it, and I love that like when you were to cross it off, it also like does a line through it. I don't know, there's like the little things about this. No wonder people like Notion so much, because now I'm gonna be obsessed with it. It's been a super long and productive work day. I just poured myself a little bit more water and added some more lemon. I was gonna make some tea tonight, but it's getting later and later and I still need a shower and stuff, so we're gonna just not have tea tonight. It's fine, I had some yesterday, but I just updated my to-do list as you guys saw on Notion, and now I'm going to import footage before I go shower so that I can do a little bit of rough cutting for that vlog when I get back from the shower. I've gotten so much done today.
I'm so proud of myself.
I just read and I'm getting back into my reading habits. Finally, it's been a long time since I picked up this book. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, but now that I'm back to like my healthy habits and really implementing them every single day, that chapter was actually so freaking intense, especially the end of it, and I was just like, oh my gosh. Anyways, I wanted to show you guys a mini quick haul. I literally got one thing, so like it's fine. But I got the Do It For Yourself journal. It's a motivational journal. I've seen this all over and I was like, you know what, let me try it out. I love journals. So it's just super cute. I'll link it below. It has like prompts, like stuff to just think about, and I'm super excited about that. And then I'm gonna do my 5-minute journal and do a little quick meditation that I do. I switch off between a couple. There's some that I do that are just like really short and simple ones, so I'm gonna do that one tonight. There's nothing like fresh, clean pillowcases. I'm so like ready to sleep. Honestly, guys, I'm not even that tired after waking up at literally 4 a.m. this morning. Another thing that I've been doing is going to sleep not late at all. So yeah, I think this has definitely been helping me because I'm not even, to be honest, I'm tired now, but I'm not even like freaking delusional. Go to sleep early, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was motivating to you guys and you can take something out of this video to implement to your life. I love you guys all so much. Thanks for all the support and I'll see you all in my next video. Like, comment, share, subscribe.